she also could recognize this is my Lord. Then they smiled. And Lakshmi Priya, she worshipped the feet of Mahaprabhu at her heart, at her mind. হেনমতে দোহে চিনি দোহে ঘরে গেলা কে বুঝিতে পারে গৌর সুন্দরেরও খেলা ঈশ্বর ইচ্ছায় বিপ্র বনমালী নাম সেই দিন গেলাতে হো শচী দেবী স্থান নমস্করি আইরে বসিলা দ্বিজবর আসন দিলেন আই করিয়া দোর আইরে বলেন তবে বনমালী আচার্য পুত্র বিবাহেরও কেনন কেনে নাচিন্তহ কার্য. So at that time there was Balamali Acharya who was the matchmaker. In those days, nowadays you have websites matchmaking, but those days there was physical person, brahmanas, matchmaker. They would go house to house, village to village. They would see who are the marriageable girl and boys. They would take their like horoscope, everything, kundali, and they would go and they would make the match. And they would be respected, respectable service it is in the society at that time. Ghatak in Bengali they say. Okay. So Banamali Acharya came to the house of Mother Sachi, and then he offered pranam to Mother Sachi. Then he sat, Mother Sachi gave her asana. Then Banamali Acharya asked her, so what's your thought of getting your son married?